In this video, Kiki Review will review fold smartphones from the Oppo brand, namely Oppo Find N2 Fold. With display size exterior, 5.54-inch, 120Hz, 2120 by 1080. And interior, 7.1-inch, 120Hz, 1920 by 1792. This fold smartphone using Android 13 operating system, also Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU. This fold smartphone have a 12GB RAM, 256GB storage. Also connectivity feature have Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC port, USB Type-C. This fold smartphone camera using 50 megapixels main camera, 32 megapixels 2x telephoto, 48 megapixels wide angle, 32 megapixels front. This fold smartphone have size unfolded, 132.2 by 140.5 by 7.4 millimeters. And this fold smartphone have weight 233 grams, also 4520 mAh battery capacity and 67-watt fast charging system. Also fingerprint reader feature for the price of this Find N2 smartphone fold from Oppo. Kiki Review has provided a link in the description and you can choose other variants of this smartphone fold. Kiki Review thank you for watching this smartphone fold video from Oppo and see you soon.